Hey. You can see I'm happy. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. For the old subscribers, I say thank you very much for your support. And for those of you who are new here, I say aqua back to you once again, or welcome here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are preparing one of my favorite soups, fish live soup. Very healthy and tasty. Stay tuned. Recipe, you're going to need some fresh fish. This is catfish or ajene, fresh one. I got this from our local shop here. I'm also going to use some fresh eggplants. I need just 3 of these, and also some tomato puree. I also am going to use some chopped onions and some fresh tomatoes here. I also have some scotch pepper here. These are very hot, but you know, this is a hot soup, and there's a blend of garlic and ginger. I'm going to use some salt to taste, and also some spices. You are free to use any spice that you want. There's pepperika. I have pepperika, curry powder, there's garlic powder, and also turmeric. I'm going to also use some mackerel in tomato sauce, so you can get it at any shop. I'm going to combine everything inside the saucepan. I'm going to put in the fish first. The fish has already been cleaned, washed and cleaned. You know, it came already cut, and I like the way they cut them, so you just wash it very well, and you just combine everything inside your saucepan, and you add all your seasoning to it. You know, this soup is very good for you when you have cold or you are not even feeling well. Get this light soup because it's fish. You can easily chew them, and this fish is very tasty and very soft. I'm going to combine all the onions to it, and also combine the spices. Add the spices to it, and I will just leave this on fire at a very slow heat, because you don't want your fish to be boiling too much, or else it will all melt. Because even at a point in time, I had to just remove the fish from the soup for the soup to finish boiling. If not, I would have lost all my fish inside. So going to cover this and leave it on fire for about 5 minutes before we add any other thing. Whilst our soup is boiling, I'm going to boil our garden eggs with the tomatoes and the pepper. So you just divide them into 2 for it to cook fast. Vegetables are done, and we're going to add everything. I'm going to blend everything together: the eggplants or garden eggs, the tomatoes, and also the pepper. I'm going to blend everything, so you just add a little bit of water to it and you blend everything together. Okay, let's see how our soup is doing. This has been simmer for about 5 minutes now. I'm going to add all the blended vegetables to it, and also our tomato puree or tomato paste to it. I just realized that my fish was already done and I didn't want it to overcook or melt in my soup, so I just removed the fish from the soup and covered the soup for it to take it time to cook well, because I didn't want it to lose my fish before my soup was done. I didn't want it to lose my fish before the soup was done, so I had to remove the fish from the soup. And I think this is the best idea or the best thing to do if you want to retain your fish, because this fish cook very easily. So you just need to remove them from the soup and allow the soup to cook on its own, and within about another 5 to 10 minutes this soup will be done. And you can serve your soup with fufu or any other food that you choose, or you can enjoy it on its own.